I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up two-factor authentication on Steam Guard is a great way to enhance your account security. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open Steam Client. Launch the Steam application on your computer. If you don't have it installed, download it from the official Steam website and log into your account. Step 2. Go to Account Details. Once logged in, click on your username in the top right corner and select Account Details from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Manage Steam Guard. In Account Details section, look for the Steam Guard option. Click on it to access the settings for two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable Steam Guard. You will see an option to enable Steam Guard. Click on Manage Steam Guard and choose to receive codes via the Steam mobile app or email. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. Step 5. Confirm your setup. After enabling, you will receive a confirmation code either on your mobile app or email. Enter this code to finalize the setup. Make sure to check your spam folder if you don't see the email. Now your Steam account is much more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out. Happy gaming!